Welcome to Delhi. Hey, what's up guys? कैसे हो? I hope everyone is doing great. Day 3 here in Delhi. We are staying somewhere in Aero City. This is the best place to stay, especially if you're driving from Delhi towards the north. As you guys know, this is Ladakh 2.0 Srimankuta, and that too on the BMW. I'm super excited about that. Having real fun on the bike, man. I mean, yesterday was kind of an achievement. I mean, doing from Nagpur to Delhi, 1100 kilometers, I think around 15 or 16 hours. The ride was epic. Only thing is, by the time we came here, it was literally 3 a.m. in the morning, 3:30, and we couldn't find food. This hotel is good, but it looks good from outside. Rooms are like this, pretty good, but food was not available. So the hotel staff themselves told us, please do Swiggy, Zomato, and that's what we did. And we got some stupid sandwiches and all that. As you can see, all ganda started, everything we put here and there. This is how a biker's room looks. I kind of started my edit, and time is literally around 12 o'clock in the afternoon right now, and we just woke up. We slept at 6 o'clock in the morning. Feeling very good and energetic today. I think if there was a ride today, no, we need proper rest today. Next we have to go to Jammu. In case we had to go to Jammu today, I was ready, full on energetic. Everyone is riding a BMW, so ergonomics and seating position, everything is so comfortable, and me though, I am doing like next level rides. This is a hotel, huge hotel. There's even a mall kind of a situation here. See that? There are all shops and all that there. This hotel looks fancy and nice, but it is okay. Actually, just okay. Hey, what's up? Kaise ho? Ela unnaru andaru okay na? All good?
Yeah, all good.
No, Japan hotel pe repo.
Chaitanya just woke up. He's having his omelette. We had to go request special omelette for him because he didn't want to come down. We were just thinking something about that. I ride gurin cheppandra. You people didn't say anything about the ride experience. Actually, last night when we came, we all crashed.
ఇంకా క్రాష్
Chaitanya, I didn't believe that you could go down last night.
ఏం మాట్లాడవు ఏం మాట్లాడవు నువ్వు
Rephrase. Hey, you want Apple Pencil? Generation 1? Gen 1.
This entire bag is like Gen 0.
What I was saying is, I didn't think you'll go down to get the Zomato order.
I was like half asleep when I went, honestly.
నన్ను ఎక్కడ కిందికి పంపిస్తారు అని చెప్పి నేను రూమ్కి వచ్చి పడుకున్నా.
Sandwiches and all that, it was so hard.
No, it was really hard. It was staying.
Ek number.
Oh, so this is the energy level we have today. So I was saying, in case there was a ride today, we were able to do it. We would be able to do it, right?
We could leave now, for example.
Yes. And Mare, I'm okay to get out from here.
ఎక్కడ పోదాం?
Jammu.
చెక్కేద్దామా ఈరోజు?
అంటే I'm okay.
We need 1 second. We have a twist. We need RT-PCR to enter Jammu.
లేదు అక్కడ ఉదంపూర్ దగ్గర చెక్ పోస్ట్.
I think we're wasting time here అనిపిస్తుంది వాళ్ళ.
We are waiting to relax,
You people need rest?
Rejuvenate.
Rejuvenate కదా? Camley fellow.
వాడు రీలో ఆపేసిండ్రా.
Camley
అందుకే నేను
fellow.
అక్కడి నుంచి why did we decide to do 1,000 kilometers?
I'll be honest. I wanted to finish Nagpur to Delhi. No, but for me, it was like a feeling of achievement as well. I wanted to finish this 1,000-kilometer ride yesterday. We were close to 860. It was like, chalo, another 140, na? Another 140 kilometers. 140 ki, why do we need to stop? Let's finish this 140. We'll achieve 1,000 kilometers in one day. For that, I did it. But did you enjoy the ride or did you feel irritated?
I think after we entered the city, it was definitely irritating.
That's always there. When you enter the city,
45 minutes, I think.
yeah, the hotel doesn't come. Especially the last 50 kilometers is never done. Anyways, today's plan is to first go get the RT-PCR test. I think apart from that, we don't have anything to do today. These people need to go and lose the chains. Lose the chains. They have to lose their chains and they have to go. Pakkane on the fuel. This is one of the best lifts I've seen. I mean, you can play hide and seek, you know. Where is Charan? Where is Shiva? Where is Charan? Where is Shiva? Shiva ni photo card కనిపిస్తుంది.
చెప్ప కనిపిస్తుంది.
We came here to get the COVID test done. One problem is that we don't have signals in Jammu. Only prepaid connections work there. We need a postpaid. Sorry. Only postpaid connections work there. Luckily, Shiva has postpaid and even Charan has postpaid. And that is really important because all the RT-PCR test results come to the phone, right? Hopefully by the time we reach Jammu, it's going to be around evening, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. 11 hours of a ride from here. So by the time we go there, we'll have the test results. You need a RT-PCR negative result to enter Jammu. Chalo, one major work done. RT-PCR test done. It seems we have to do it twice in this trip. At least 2 times RT-PCR. And we have done at least 10 times in the past.
Oh, every trip.
Now we got used to doing it.
But not no.
That's a ton of food. Hey, fruits. We shouldn't be eating fruits in this trip. We should be eating all junk food. That is the oath we took while starting from the trip. Quesadillas with the cheese, extra cheese. Did you order extra cheese or not? Normal cheese. What, bro? We ordered some fire. Basically, a lot of junk food. This is what we wanted to do this trip.
Soda.
We'll order soda. We'll also order not soda, but the wo soda nahi. We wanted to order Diet Coke. In Diet in the clinker, normal Coke. Apart from this, we also have to order waffles. This trip, we have to make sure that we put on at least 5 kilos
Easy.
by the end of this trip. Oh, by the way, we finished the entire trip planning, almost 90%. All the bookings done. Chala kastapadi, 4 of us sat and did this. But the problem, Madhila, I went to do some official work. He was planning something wild for those 4 days. Already this is the itinerary going on. Anyways, let's eat first. And our lunch is literally at 4:30, 5 o'clock almost. Everything has been delayed since last night. Because we reached only at 3 a.m. in the morning. Then we had dinner at 5 a.m. in the morning. Literally sun was rising.
Manali, Kullu.
It's so good to eat junk food after a long time. With extra fat sauce. What is this? Fat sauce and it looks so fatty. Does this go with that? Anni kalpi food. Fat lo ye fat hai.
Eat for 7 days.
Chaitanya, how do you feel eating all the junk food with no restrictions? With no trainers in.
Chincheddam.
Oh, by the way, we decided that once we go back to Hyderabad, we're planning to look good. As soon as we go home, Kado, it will take a lot of effort, at least 2 to 3 months. Basically, we want to be.
Acclimate to Hyderabad, Ramalli.
ఫస్ట్ తీగల రిపోర్ట్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తా.
We got the reports finally. Moment of truth.
నెగటివ్ తీగల కొట్టారు శ్రీమాన్.
Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. అరే భయపెట్టకు రా చెప్పరా రే ప్లీజ్. ఇట్స్ నెగటివ్. అట్లా రియాక్షన్ ఇచ్చిందంటే నెగటివ్.
నెగటివ్
ఆబ్వియస్లీ నెగటివ్. అంటే ఆబ్వియస్లీ కాదు, బట్ హౌ కెన్ వీ డూ 1000 kilometer రైడ్స్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ పాజిటివ్?
ఇరిటేటింగ్ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే
కవిత కూడా వెయిటింగ్ రా.
శివ నెగటివ్.
కానీ నాది ఇంకా రాలా, రిపోర్ట్ రాలా.
चरण इज डाउटफुल, अभी तक रिपोर्ट नहीं आया. There is a small problem with my top box. Not a problem actually, but I need to get used to how to pack this because you have this small string which will hold the lid back without falling. And what happens is when I close it, you see that it comes out like that. And whenever I close it, it is staying like this. And because of that, what happened is a little bit of water went inside while there was rain, and oh yes, my jacket got a little bit wet. So I have to be extra careful doing this. I have to make sure this goes inside like that, and then anyways, what's up guys, kaise ho? I hope everyone is doing great. Today is day 4 here in Delhi. Day 3 was proper rest because obviously we did like almost 1100 kilometers. Today's plan is to hit Jammu from Delhi, and it's gonna take us 602 kilometers, 10 hours 8 minutes, and roads are pretty amazing. We'll have to go from New Delhi to, we'll be bypassing Chandigarh and then Ludhiana, Pathankot se ek left, and we directly go to Jammu. And from here onwards, the scenery is going to change a lot. This typical boring 4-lane highways, they're going to go, and we are all really bored with these highway rides. First plan was actually to leave at 7:30 a.m. It's already 8:30 and we're still not dressed up. Still need to pack all the stuff inside. My luggage is almost ready.
What's up?
Okay, morning problems. We're still not up properly, so need some time.
అంటే ఇప్పుడే
That is also one thing. Ready to hit Jammu? And we're so dirty. This is a milkshake we ordered.
ఆ రూమ్ చూపిరా.
Get this, dude. We ordered this milkshake literally 2 days back. We're not calling any housekeeping because we are throwing all the stuff like this and going here and there. Agar kuch ghoom gaya, so then we don't want to, you know. Hey, what's up, bro?
What's up, buddy? Morning.
Excited today. We're gonna ride to Jammu. Scenery is gonna start.
వాడికి ఎక్సైట్మెంట్ లేదు.
Actually, from Pathankot it's gonna start. Till there it's again 4-lane. This is the first time Shiva didn't disturb us much. He let us sleep.
Yeah, he actually did.
సో ప్రాబబ్లీ
He didn't wake up anybody.
అందరూ టైం లేచారు, నువ్వు తప్ప.
కొట్టాడు, రికార్డ్ లో ఉంది.
So let's have breakfast and I'll see you guys. that's our breakfast. I'm having a lot of healthy food, something like muffins, coconut Danish, blueberry Danish, croissants, and the only unhealthy food I'm eating is papaya. Masala omelette, watermelon juice, cold coffee, extra cold. Your food is so less, dude.
Now we live counter నుంచి వస్తాయి.
Special menu for him. Sharon is also eating a lot of carbs. Eat healthy, bro. What is this?
10 seconds max.
So back from the breakfast. I had like a super heavy breakfast. I think I'll be skipping my lunch today. Last night I skipped my dinner. Diet is going like very bad. This is not how you have to eat, especially when you're on a ride. That too for the next 20 days. All my diet is gonna be screwed up like this. And it's apart from that, this is one small issue I have with the BMW Spaniards. The lock sets are somehow, they're very new inside and the key doesn't go in easily. First I thought because I coded the key on my own, maybe I did some mistake and the key is not going well. But I realized that they're very new, and also because of the recent rain and all that, little bit of sand and dirt went into the keyholes and the key doesn't go in that smoothly. See that it is very restrictive. Luckily Charan got some WD-40 and I'm using this one. I just did that and it's kind of better now. Chalo, pack the luggage almost. Just need to gear up and we'll leave for Jammu. We have a lot of content, bro.
See how real riders.
Hey, this is not real riders. This is how prehistoric. A chain loop. What are you doing, guys? Are you looping your chains?
Reliable, functional form of.
Then why did BMW make shaft?
Expensive.
For this, to charge you more.
Now, basically, shaft driven has almost 50,000 kilometers of life, and not 30,000 kilometers of life. Chain, you need to keep changing the chain for every 15,000 kilometers, 12 to 15.
Yeah, 15 to 20.
Up to 20,000 kilometers. But only disadvantage is every 500 kilometers you need to loop the chain like 1,000 మామూలు వేసుకున్నారు. It is around 500 kilometers. Chain loop కష్టాలు. Okay, one issue is still there with any hotel we go. We have to park our bike somewhere else. Two-wheelers, doesn't matter if it's a BMW, doesn't matter if it's a Triumph, Harley. You have to park it somewhere else in the two-wheeler section. You can't get it here. We had to request, we had to talk to the manager, do all that so that we could get our bikes here and load it. The hotel people are following their policies. But then, it is very irritating to always come late in the night, then convince them that we want to put our bike somewhere safe. We had to do a lot of convincing. They did not get convinced, but then we said, doesn't matter, yeah. We're gonna anyways put the bikes here. We can't go take all the luggage till there down. Almost look at this. We have to go all the way from here, put the bikes over there, and then load our bikes. Not happening, bro. If any hotel management around India is my subscriber, please understand that these bikes are super expensive and our hearts are with them all the time. We can't park our bikes anywhere else. At least give us a nice covered parking. Consider it's our heart, it's our soul. So please understand and give us good parking here. There's a hotel called Welcome by ITC. Pretty decent hotel, service is excellent, no doubt, but only this one issue. Oh. Okay, just started from the hotel. Our cute folks are filling fuel. I had to wait like this under the tree because we don't need fuel. Arey chalo yaar, I'll keep boasting about it. We spent so much extra just for the extra fuel tank. Not just for extra fuel tank, but lot of other things that we get like accessories like these winglets, the bigger windshield, and oh yes, definitely the bigger fuel tank. We can take a rest like this while they are standing in the line. Also, I was talking to Pooja. Seems Naisha is not well. This is really sad, yaar. I mean, I wanted my day to begin very energetic and very positive, but as Pooja just told me that Naisha has some fever. Of course, it is not a big thing. It should be fine in a day or two. I think she has been dehydrated. It seems she has vomitings and fever. I told her to take Naisha to the doctor in case. I mean, obviously Pooja knows what to do, but yes, definitely feels a little bit sad. Now we have questions in 3, 2, 1. हाँ, डबल इंजन है. ये पूरा कपड़े हैदराबाद से आ रहे ऐसे घूमने. श्रीमान SRIMAN श्रीमान कोटारू नाम पे है. अरे राइट आर स्ट्रेट आर. So what is the ride today? 10 hours 48 minutes, 610 kilometers. So as per Google, 10 hours, which means right now time is 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock almost. Okay. We are starting literally at 11 o'clock. So 11 plus 10 is 21, almost 9:30. We should reach in the night. 37 degrees right now. Definitely it is very hot in Delhi. Hopefully it should get better as we reach Pathankot. But Pathankot is almost 8 hours from here. So I think ride is going to be a little bit humid and hot throughout the day. I'm hoping there's no traffic on this route till we exit Delhi, because we're staying towards the south and northwest, kind of northwest of Delhi. We're almost near the exit. Hopefully there should be no traffic. That is one irritating part. If you want to get out of your hotel, get out of a city, the Google Maps, it doesn't show any traffic. Pura it is blue, so it shouldn't be taking us more than half an hour to exit the city. We can't trust Google Maps because of these reasons, reasons like this. It got us through some shortcut. This is how it is. हमारा मलकाजगिरी का याद आ रहा, कोकापेट मलकाजगिरी का combo. 111 degree is going up. अभी 38 degrees. All bikes same. మల్కాజ్గిరి రోడ్ ఉన్నాడు ఇక్కడ, రోడ్ మధ్యలో బండి పెట్టిండు. చైతన్య రిచ్ లుక్ అంట, పోయి కొనుక్కున్నావా బట్టలు? Charan just updated us that either left se pura red dikh raha, which means we're gonna have fun, especially with the huge panniers. Oh shit, oh yes, I can see the red line. One disadvantage of going late, exiting the city at this hour, 11 o'clock. See, no one wants to stop. Basically this is all because of traffic stopping on the left and right. Worst combo you can ever imagine for a biker. Lot of traffic, hot sun, huge bikes and panniers and waterproof gear and a huge helmet with a camera on it. Hopefully, I think that highway is over. Not highway, sorry. That junk, whatever you want to call it. That high traffic zone. Hey, farmers protest, dude. This is the highway actually. We have to join here, but as you can see, Kisan Andolan is going on here. This is like since how many months or years? 1 year, at least 1 year. Finally, after almost 1 hour out of the hotel, exactly 1 hour, 10:40 we left the hotel and now 11:40 we are on this proper nice 6-lane, not even 4-lane, 6-lane expressway. I think it's around 40 kilometers on this expressway, but yeah, seriously very hot, like extremely hot, literally sweating like a pig inside all this gear. Just waiting for that proper pleasant weather. Hopefully today by evening we should be riding in that kind of weather for the next couple of days. Ladakh le to pura amazing weather it's around. It seems we spoke to the hotel people yesterday while booking. We have to do advance booking in case you're going in the first week of July. They told us that it is full. We were not able to find camps in Pangong. So because of that one thing, we had to delay our trip. Not delay, but we had to push the date of Pangong by 1 or 2 days. Because of that pura itinerary, we had to change. So we are going to stay almost 3 days in Leh. Oh, today's bike is giving amazing mileage because obviously we're doing like what, 30 or 40 kilometers per hour in the last 1 hour. And it is showing me 21.7 kilometers per liter, which is the best I've seen on this bike till date. And also when the engine is like pretty new, finished 2000, how much yeah? I finished 2176 kilometers at this particular point. After we finished like 5000 kilometers, usually engines open up much better. Even the mileage will increase. Everything about the bike accentuates a little bit. अरे गुंडल अदुरुतुन्नाई sound के. I can literally feel that sound here in the core of my body. I'm literally taking a U-turn and coming back. We're searching for lunch. Time is 1:10. I mean, seriously, take a look at this highway. Right now it is like so hot, 38 degrees. We stopped at this place called Kesari. Whatever, we found this dhaba, we were going that side. We have to go that side actually. But then we saw this place and we thought we'll take a U-turn and come back. Yeah, we're hungry as well. Iske baad, I think we'll stop only after 100 kilometers. And anyways, did we enter Punjab? Okay, once we enter Punjab, no need to worry about food because we get amazing. The land of food, we are entering land of butter chicken. But I don't think we entered Punjab. Let's see. Hopefully food should be good. Reactions. How is the heat?
Everybody is hot.
How many degrees? 95 degrees. 95 degrees. Bike is 99 degrees. 100 degrees almost. You know, it is so hot right now. When I said it is 41 degrees and feels more than that, like 44 degrees. Let me show you what's happening here on the iPhone. Flash is disabled. The phone needs to cool down before you can use the flash. Level on the heat. Ivanni endukra neeke aithe all such warnings, destruction, everything happens to Chaitanya's phones, gadgets.
No, I got that before.
I'm using this kerchief here on my neck because you know my helmet, the Shubha's helmet is a proper sport helmet, and because of this it's like my neck doesn't get covered properly. See this angle? It's like that. And because of this my neck is exposed all the time in the sun, and look at this. Like proper tan. It's like proper tan here. And it's burning a lot. That is the reason. Desi Jugaad, we are using this. Some nice paneer butter masala.
Muda angle cover kotti.
Tandoori roti. Masala lemon soda. Sweet and salt mix. Dal tadka. Bon appetit. But yeah, seriously, you need to have a dark smoke visor. It is definitely irritating in the night for sure. But in the mornings, sunlight like this, trust me, it is 50% of what you're seeing right now. The visibility, the brightness. It is so good. It's got UV protection and all that. So yeah, I'm loving it. By the way, ride update. Total break time till now, including all the chota breaks, and the lunch break was around 45 minutes total. I think 1 hour 12 minutes of break, 2 hours 11 minutes of riding time, and we did around 150 kilometers from the hotel now. I think next major town is going to be Ambala Cantonment. We stopped for a quick fuel break here. I filled my fuel literally like 2 days back while coming into Delhi, and I filled it now. Last I've seen range was around 180 kilometers. That's the lowest I've seen in this ride on this bike. Too hot, like crazy hot. Why is my seriously heated grips on in this weather? I don't know how, but my heated grips are on, dude. I know, by mistake abhi hua wo. This kind of weather riding is really irritating. We'll see abhi if it is like too hot, maybe we'll stop again. We'll maybe stop in some coffee day or something. I don't think we can find coffee day anywhere in the next 20-30 kilometers, but if we can find some AC restaurant at least, we'll stop, wait for some time till the sun goes down. Surya Mahadev, I know you're a Mahadev, no doubt. Please don't show your powers today. Please go down gently. And the problem is towards the north, you know, Punjab and all that, it takes a lot of time for the sun to set. Sunlight is there like properly till 7:45. Right now time is 4:54, almost 5 o'clock. So it is getting dark, so I switched on to my HD glasses. Once again, don't ask me what are my HD glasses. They are my sight glasses, basically power glasses. I have a little bit of sight when it's getting dark. No, it's not night blindness and all that. It is much better when I have my power glasses. Acha, we got a nice AC restaurant. Man, after this crazy scorching heat, this was like a blessing. Ludhiana. No, we crossed Ludhiana. Now we are going towards Jalandhar. I think we're gonna have the light for at least another 45 minutes. Usually 7:45 tak you'll have light here, and after that it's gonna get like proper dark, and my worries will start after that because I don't have a clear visor, and I have a proper dark smoke visor. Patnitop is another 150 kilometers from here. Should take us 2 hours 48 minutes, and Patnitop say another 100 kilometers to the destination Jammu. Only thing is we'll be stopping for the RT-PCR test. I mean, we have done it already. We just need to submit it. We just need to show it in the check post, and they'll be taking our bike numbers and all that entry. Oh yes, roads are exactly like this. This is the Srinagar Kanyakumari highway. Like literally you take straight, this way straight, you go till almost Srinagar, and this way straight down south you go till Kanyakumari. Basically K to K highway, the NH44. Beautiful sunset. Is it orange? నాకు వైజాగ్లో నుంచి ఏదో వేరే కలర్ కనిపిస్తుంది. నైస్ రౌండ్ రసగుల్లా రా శివ రే. Okay, we stopped for a quick fuel break, and also we saw that beautiful sign there, McDonald's ka, and literally everything is here. Subway, McDonald's, La Pino's Pizza, Baskin Robbins Barista. Fuel consumption 20.4 kilometers for a liter today. Shiva is getting on the GS 21.7 kilometers for a liter. Maybe that is to do with the extra weight. I have panniers. He doesn't have panniers and all that. Because of that, there is a little bit of mileage difference. ఏంటి ఎంత చిన్న పొడవుంది. చలో వెల్కమ్ టు జమ్మూ అండ్ కాశ్మీర్. Oh yes, this is the checkpost. So we need to stop here. We need to show the RT-PCR test to someone here. So we need to show RT-PCR, Aadhaar card, RC of your bike. These are the forms we need to fill to enter Jammu. 4 forms for 4 bikes. 4 into... Okay, this is where we need to show just the permit, I guess. Chalo, pada. Oh guys, this is the thing. Welcome to Jammu and Kashmir on your bikes, bro. What's up guys, kaise ho? Hello, hope everyone is doing great. Here we are at Jammu and Kashmir border. Done with everything, tests and permits. We just need to pass this and we'll be in Jammu. This is our paristiti right now. We are all eating protein bars because what is the time? 1:40 in the night. We're not able to order any food. This is what is happening since the last couple of days. The time we're reaching a hotel, it's almost like 2 a.m, 3 a.m, and we're not able to get any food. Life saviors. Protein bar, protein bar, protein bar. These people are fine. I have like proper stunts that I'm doing with that black visor, tinted visor, and when it's raining especially, rides are going into the night, I'm having a lot of trouble.
Frustrating initially.
Oh,
with the heat.
Too much of heat. Crazy heat. Shiva,
but I think towards the end it was good.
Shiva was kind of dehydrated, little bit. He took like 10 minutes. He started shivering a little bit, then Chaitanya gave a magic. Got some towel, microfiber towel. He put it in
towel, bro.
He put that in cold water in a HP petrol bunk and put it on Shiva. Shiva was back to normal. Instantly.
Thumbs up
Like,
on
you
the
know,
objection.
He's been thanking Chaitanya since. Scenery is going to be much better from here, and I hope it lives up to the hype. First thing, I'm happy because I've been promoting Gore-Tex so much, especially climb. I made him spend so much on the Gore-Tex, so I was like, whenever it's raining, I'm like, Chaitanya, is it fine? I'm checking on him because if it leaks a little bit, na, he'll start giving me a good class. Shiva's BMW jacket is the next level. It is too heavy, I felt. Too heavy, dude.
We have such a broad range of like weather in our ride. Started off hot, then it was like sultry, rain.
From tomorrow onwards, the ride is going to be much better. It'll be more pleasant.
Yeah.
Hopefully, because Jammu should be usually around 25, 26, but today it was like, even in the night while coming, it was around 33 degrees. It was pretty hot.
3 years nunchi, oh, this is good. Arey, but Charan, you remember in Sonmarg and Pangong?
So we decided something. So we decided something. If Chaitanya says that what is there, dude, is all fine. I've seen better. We'll be like me and Charan will be like, Arey Charan, last time ikkada gurtunda, it was so scenic. They changed everything, bro. Arey Chaitanya, no, 2 years back, Rahul, it was too raw. Now it's gone, dude. That is the tricky part. Now time is almost 2 a.m. in the morning. Plan is to leave at 6 a.m. Shiva is suggesting us to leave at 6 a.m. so that we get to see all that scenic locations and all that. That means we have to sleep right away. అలా మేము చేయాలి అంటే మీరు బయటకు వెళ్ళాలి. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, please do hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe. అదేంట్రా అట్లా అట్లా ఏం చేస్తారా వీడియో? ఓ శివ, యూర్ ఫేమస్. Milk powder. Nestle, if you're watching, please sponsor Shiva with lots of milk powder. We'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning. Once again back on the beach.